In this video series, we will learn foundation modeling step by step. We will see how to add rectangular, polygonal, and circular foundations to the model. We will also explore the foundation properties window for each foundation type and review all parameters together. With short and clear examples, you will learn how to create the geometry and define foundation properties correctly. Now let's start with the first steps of foundation modeling. I click the Foundations button in the Definition menu. In the window that opens, I double-click New Model to open the Foundation System Properties window. From the Foundations list, I double-click the default Foundation one to open the Foundation Properties window. Let's start by explaining the top section of this window. On the left, we enter the foundation name and the soil profile linked to the foundation. This soil profile is used in bearing capacity calculations. These calculations are based on classic Terzaghi bearing capacity theories. Below this, we set the foundation bottom level. Next to it, we select the building condition. We choose whether the building is new or existing. For a new building, the base pressure is used in settlement calculations. If an existing building is selected, the base pressure is not considered in settlement calculations. In this case, the base pressure is added to the effective stresses. In the foundation geometry section, there are two options, rectangular and polygon. If we select rectangular, the geometry and plan tabs for rectangular foundations become active. If we select polygon, the geometry tab for polygon foundations becomes active. Now let's select the rectangular option. Next to it, there is an Apply button. After entering the foundation properties, we click Apply to save them. On the right, you can see the geometric center, area, and perimeter of the foundation geometry. The program shows these values as read-only based on the foundation geometry. Now let's explain the tab that defines the rectangular foundation geometry. Here, we enter the coordinates of the four corners of the foundation. When entering coordinates manually, always check the distance from the origin point, where x equals 0 and y equals 0. Very large coordinates can cause serious drawing distortions, calculation errors, and camera shaking. If needed, move the drawing closer to the x equals 0 and y equals 0 point. Now let's change the coordinates. I set the x coordinate of 0.1 to 12 meters. I also set the x coordinate of 0.2 to 12 meters. When the rectangular geometry option is selected, you must enter the coordinates in a way that forms a rectangle. Otherwise, when you click Apply, the values will not be accepted and you cannot close the window. In the next video, we will continue with shallow foundation properties. Thank you for watching.